Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to scrape JavaScript web pages with Python. It's pretty simple, let's go. First, let's open the terminal and install requests HTML. Enter. OK, let's create a session, HTML session, import it from requests HTML. Next, add URL address. For example, it will be my YouTube channel. Then get an HTML, open session, then get URL and get HTML. I have an error because HTML session is a function. It's OK. Next, let's render our HTML.render, and we need to scroll down. Let's add scroll down is true, because the default definition scroll down is false. If we want to scrape all the page, we need to set scroll down equals true. Next, sleep is the time between requests. The default definition is 0. I set 1, and the last keep page equals true. Next, we need to find elements which we want to scrape. Today it will be YouTube videos equals HTML.find and find our video elements. How to find it? Open the web page, then inspect it in Google Chrome, and we can find our video elements. Go into this block, find the area with videos, go into this block, find another block, go into this block and find open it, and finally we will find our video block, but you can spend some time to find it. We have an area with one video, it's better. Let's go into this block. We need to get a title of video, open it again, and we have our title. And we see that ID of our title is video title. Return to Python code and write hashtag video title. Now let's write a loop to find the title and link of all videos. For item in videos, video equals title is item.text and link is item.absolute links. When our script finds the text, for example, this text, script will save it in title, and when our script finds a link, it will save it as a link. And after that, you can create a table, but I'll just print the list here. Let's try to run our script, and we have the list of our videos with title and with links. It's perfect. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, have a good coding. See you soon.